What up, everyone? Have you ever tried to help out some young entrepreneur, maybe a high school kid who's detailing cars, washing and waxing them, trying to earn some extra money, maybe to pay for a school trip or something? Well, I have. And then I ended up with something like this on the car. Or like something like this. Or like these. Well, that's a bummer, and that is wax on the moldings of the vehicle. But I'm gonna show you how to get that off with ease and very cheaply. There's no scrubbing with hot or cold water. I got an easy hack for you, and it also just refreshes the plastic moldings and makes them look newer, and it doesn't have it takes away the fadey grayness or brownness they obtain by being in the sun for too long. So let's jump into it. We'll be right back. All right, so after a quick trip to Walmart, we have our secret weapon to refresh the plastic moldings on the vehicle and remove those pesky white wax marks. School erasers, that's the secret weapon. They work super easy. It's super easy to do. Let me show you. You're gonna do it if you have this problem. We're also gonna be trying out two different types of erasers just to kind of give you an idea of which one may work better, which one you would prefer. All right, so on this plastic molding, we have this long wax streak, and you know, you've tried with water and a washcloth and scrub brush to get this off. It doesn't really come off. So we have our eraser here. We just take that to it. Look at that, the wax is gone. All right, so I decided to get out of the sun to see if we could see this better. But we're using the white eraser, which I think I prefer over the school eraser because these seem to leave less residue behind that you have to wipe off after you eraser the plastic. But let's give it another shot here. I mean, it gets that wax off like immediately. So the wax is gone. Really hard to show how it refreshed the plastic in this light here, but I mean, let me see if I can just draw something real quick so you can see the difference in the color of the plastic. I mean, if you see that, if you do the whole plastic like that, you're gonna get it back to black. Obviously, it's gonna take some elbow grease and take some time, but I mean, I did the other side of the car already, and it took me about maybe 20 minutes. The whole other side of the car, which is, you know, around the wheels and then the side skirts. But yeah, I mean, it refreshes it immediately. All right, so here is a completed kind of the fender plastic, which you can see is a nice shiny plasticky black look now. As you go down here, now that's undone. That is a side skirt that has not been refreshed. But as we come up here, that was a quick refresh so far. But from, you know, almost whitish gray to back to that like gunmetal, silverish black, how the plastic should look there. I'll pull back a little bit here. So after using both of these erasers, I think that these Pentel, these white high polymer erasers in front, they worked a little bit better on kind of refreshing the plastic trim on the vehicle, and they didn't leave as much to be cleaned up. So I'll leave a link in the description on these guys if you wanted to do the same to your vehicle. All right, well, there you have it. It takes a little bit of elbow grease, but if you want to refresh the plastics on your vehicle, or if you need to remove the wax from the plastic, it works great. I mean, it works better than anything that I've ever tried. Thank God for the internet. So give it a whirl. I recommend these guys. These guys worked a little bit better than the pink school erasers. The pink school erasers would leave a little bit of residue behind. So yeah, try it out. Let me know what you think about in the comments. But again, we'll see you again for another video.